What's up guys, welcome back. For today we are going to do unboxing. So with me today I've just received my package parcel today. So we're gonna see what inside. Okay, now I'm going to open the parcel. Yes, it's finally here. It is the hairspray that I have ordered about 2 weeks ago maybe. It just delivered to my house about yesterday, so I'm going to do some unboxing. You have seen the product that I have bought. It is called Luxurious. That is a hairspray, which is a very great things to buy because it can replace your pomade or a hair cream that you use. It is easier to use than the pomade or the hair cream because you just need to spray on your hair and it is done, and then just comb a little your hair and you are ready to go. No need to wait, no need to wash hand. You just spray and done. That's it. A very great item. I really recommend it. I bought it on Shopee. It arrived about yesterday, about at the noon. I've been waiting for so long. Then it's here. Well, you can see it state the price here. It is about 12 ringgit, but I got a promotion, which is I use some code, which I get about a bottle, this a unit for this, which is about 10 ringgit if I don't mistake, including the postage lah. Well, the reason that I bought this hairspray is because as a student that is live in a hostel, it would be advantage for me because I can make my hair very quickly than the others, because I just need to spray it on my hair while the others need to take the what we call hair cream and then they put it on their hair and they need to wash their hair. You all must want to know how to use it, right? So here it is. You just open the bottle cap and there is about cap here. Just remove it like that, and then you're ready to spray your hair. Just spray. See, I'm done. My hair is not that messy anymore. I'm ready to go to my class. As you can see, I don't need to wash my hand, right? My hand is clean and not sticky. That is the advantage when using the hairspray than the hair cream. The product is also good. The hair will be hard just like you use the pomade or the hair cream. For now, it already hard here. You can see it's a good product. I really recommend it for a student that is live in a hostel. It is very good. You can get done very quickly. You don't need to think about your hair for just like, oh no, I need to wash the hand, oh no, the pomade is sticky. No need to think about it anymore. Just use this just use this hairspray and you are done to go to your school. Well, that's all from me. Thank you. See you in the next video.